editing right now and I clearly forgot to short the intro. So hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. I literally just woke up क्योंकि आज बहुत ही hectic school था and after that मुझे पता चलता है कि कल I'm going for a trip to Netherhat. So we are packing for it. Just doing a little bit of mascara because we need to look presentable when we shoot. I've been doing morning and night skincare routine so consistently that I love the glow my skin has right now. I think that's a thing which I changed this year because I really wanted consistency in the skincare part. I am really bad at it. I mean it's sort of obvious as well because school रहता है and सुबह max to max I wake up like half an hour before the school. So normally I don't get time for skincare, but I've been waking up early and I do give myself time for the skincare part, and I think the results are in front of you. I'm literally barefaced right now, so I have my duffel bag and we are leaving tomorrow. So it's like a 1 day 1 night trip. We are leaving tomorrow morning and then we will come back by day after tomorrow. And yeah, it's a pretty quick trip because it's like 3 hours from Ranchi. Let me show you guys my side of the wardrobe. That's my side of the wardrobe and we are picking some fits because हमें shopping करने की time नहीं मिली क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं जा रही हूँ. So we definitely need to find some fits and create something because apparently I don't have any new clothes. So I do have a lot of things in my mind, like I want my outfits to be adventurous, cute yet comfy and really wildlife. So we are going for that. Thank you.
This is for you. And this is for you. And this is for you. And this is for you.
Finally done sorting up जो भी मेरे को लेके जाना है. I have these many shorts and pants and jeans. These are the tops. इसमें से एक I'm gonna wear when I go. तो like ये और ये is something जो मैं पहन के जाने वाली हूँ, and this also. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Kaju exploring the whole hotel. Finally checked in and let's give you guys a quick room tour. So this is the main gate. Right over here we have our washroom. It's like pretty simple, pretty basic. And then we have our bed जहाँ पे Krishu is already busy. This is our dressing area, refreshments, our wardrobes. And I just want to show you guys the best part of this room. The balcony and the view. I mean, just look at the view. It's like so super duper pretty. Papa. We have a farm over here. Hey. And that's how close we are. Yeah, that was a quick room tour.
Wore this very pretty animal print top which I thrifted and currently just getting ready to explore the places nearby. And yeah, that's the final fit. I've literally changed 4 outfits throughout the day, and for the next I'm taking one top with me which I'll change in the car for another spot.
Hello everybody, we just
got refreshed and had some food, and now we are going to another resort to have our dinner, and it's a really pretty resort. It's like really famous over here. So let's get ready again. I literally don't have any energy left, but this is the outfit for the dinner. So did put a little bindi because I just wanted it to look a little more Indian. I don't know. Unfortunately, the restaurant was closed that time, but it's fine. We did like a lot of pictures and had our very tasty dinner at our resort with Kaju, which wasn't possible over there. Come, Kaju. Skincare, because obviously it was such a tiring day. We literally covered like 4 to 5 places in a day, and all of them were like 10 kilometers away from each other, so it was a huge trip. Who is this guy? Literally 1 a.m. at night when I'm doing my skincare because it was really much needed. So tomorrow are sorted, packed all the things up, and now let's go to sleep. Direct sunlight aa raha hai yahan pe hum log ke ऊपर. It was like 10 to 11 degrees Celsius at that point, and we were just enjoying our sunrise with our campfire. We all were just chit-chatting, clicking pictures, and we were just living in the moment. It was really cute. Did miss the sunset, but फिर भी मेरे लिए 6 बजे उठना अभी बहुत जल्दी है, तो I'm gonna sleep because I'm really tired. And उसके बाद फिर we are gonna leave this hotel, and उसके बाद we'll go visit Lodh waterfall, and then we'll head to Ranchi. उससे पहले I just want to take some nice sleep, so good night. After sleeping for like 2 or 3 hours, me and Mama are getting ready for our morning breakfast, and after that we'll check out from the hotel and go visit Lodh waterfall. And here we are just having our morning breakfast with this beautiful view.
Done with our breakfast, and now we are heading towards Lodh waterfall. But before that, we have to pack everything up because we are also checking out from here. So yeah, we are off to Lodh waterfall now. That's Lodh, longest waterfall or largest waterfall of Jharkhand. And that's Kaju, cutest pet of Jharkhand. Bob the Builder, चढ़ के दिखाएंगे Bob the Builder. हाँ भाई हाँ.
And that is Lodh waterfall, Jharkhand's largest waterfall, and it's so beautiful. And if you are from Jharkhand and haven't visited Netarhat yet, you're actually missing out on a lot of greeneries and beautiful nature. Later on, we had some authentic desi chicken, and we were off to Ranchi.
Hi everyone, this is me editing right now, and here is my pine flask collection which we collected at the pine forest. I really am in love with all of them. Never mind, I just wanted to come here and tell you guys how I felt after coming from the trip, because I was really tired कि मैंने आने के बाद कोई भी clips नहीं लिए घर पे कि yes I've reached or anything like that. So ये जो 2 दिन का trip था, इसमें the first day was really exciting for me. I was really energetic, really, I was curious to see all the places and everything. But the second day when I went to the Lodh fall, I was just into it. Like I feel if I live for a week there, I'll definitely be into the nature's love so much, because I will confess it online that I love being in the nature. I love it. In fact, अगर मेरे को आगे जाके घर भी लेना होगा ना, तो फिर मैं कुछ वैसी ही जगह पे लेना पसंद करूँगी. 1 दिन के लिए 1.5 दिन के लिए जाना कहीं is like normal thing, but I just feel कि मैं बहुत जल्दी attach हो गई थी to the place. I felt so bad when I was returning home, and while we were at our last destination, the Lodh fall, मैंने कोई pictures नहीं खिंचाया, मैंने कोई photos नहीं लिया, मैंने कोई videos नहीं लिया. I was just there, just soaking in the nature, just soaking in the sound of the waters falling. I was just in the moment, I cannot explain you all my emotions जो कि last end day पे था when I realized कि I have to leave this place now. It was really good, and yeah, that this is something which I wanted to confess over here. I hope you guys liked my vlog. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, or comment down your favorite part of the video. I make videos related to self-help, studies, and my basic everyday vlogs. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye bye.